So today we're going to be doing a full detail on this Hyundai Tucson. It's clear that this exterior hasn't been washed in several months by the scale of road boogers, film, and dirt on the exterior, but the bulk of the work is actually going to be spent on the interior. Now I know that this channel is predominantly where I educate you guys on how I get the results that I do for my customers, but we're not going to be doing as much talking in this video. Instead, I'm going to just be showing you guys how I go about getting the results that I do for my customers. But I'm going to share with you guys, especially for those of you that struggle with perforated leather, how to get a lot of dirt and crumbs out of the holes, as well as when you have a ton of dirt like we do here, how do you get all of that dirt out?
Hello, little guy.
This was probably one of the most satisfying but challenging interior details I've had in a while, so hopefully you guys enjoy.
Let's try that take two. I bought her a vanity for her bedroom and told her she has to work 12 hours to pay for it. So she gladly is working for me this summer. Thanks, babe. scraping, not scratching. I'd say that's a freaking huge improvement, guys. Vacuum it out versus just blowing it in. Use your brush, use your cleaner. It's gonna break stuff down. Use your dental pick to kind of poke things out but suck it out simultaneously. A lot of people struggle with what do you do with spills in perforated leather. That's how I tackle it. Try to get it out versus just blowing it in. And don't use steam, because steam is gonna damage your leather. You get too close or you spend too long on it, you're gonna end up melting it or burning it. So you can use a stronger cleaner like this if it's in good condition, if the clear coat is in good condition. If it's not, then I would say use a more gentle leather cleaner. But even here, some of our other leather that we've got kind of dirt in our perforations. Again, we're gonna scrape off what we can. See, I'm using it flat, just very gentle. And then we're gonna come in. Get the rest out when we clean the leather, but this already looks much better. I just keep finding crumbs everywhere. Okay, I'm gonna have you vacuum all of this up. Okay. I just want to see how easy it was coming up. I'm going to get up here because you're not going to be able to reach it. Everything else has been vacuumed out. Anything else that is kind of on here is sticky. But we were able to actually vacuum out and clean spills in our perforated leather with a vacuum, a mother's brush, and a good leather cleaner. So we made a big dent on this interior. We do have just a lot of sand and just a lot of crumbs. So we're not done, but this part at least is, I'd say we're like 50%, 60% there on the interior. And for some people, this is like all they're really looking for is just a vacuuming. But when you get a lot of dirt, the blowout tool, drill brush, they're really going to come in handy to help your vacuuming step be more effective and speed it up.